Welcome back to another episode of our tech podcast. Today we're diving into the world of gaming frameworks with evolved.lua, an innovative ECS library for Lua.
Thanks for having me. Evolved.lua really stands out due to its performance and flexibility, which are vital for developers creating complex systems.
Absolutely. I've heard it uses an archetype-based approach. Can you explain what that means for our listeners?
Sure. An archetype-based system organizes entities by their components. This means similar entities are stored together, which allows for faster processing.
That sounds efficient. So, how does evolved.lua optimize memory usage to minimize garbage collector pressure?
Great question. By storing components in contiguous arrays and using chunks, we can efficiently filter through data without excessive allocation.
Interesting. You mentioned it being user-friendly too. What makes the API intuitive for developers?
I've designed the library so that all functions are self-explanatory. Once users get through the overview, they can dive right in.
And what about flexibility? How does evolved.lua cater to developers needing custom features?
Evolved.lua allows the creation of queries with filters and batch operations, making it easy to extend functionality while keeping the core minimal.
That's fantastic. It seems like you really prioritize balancing performance and simplicity.
Exactly. I believe powerful tools shouldn't be overly complicated. Developers should feel at home using them.
Speaking of comfort, can you give us a rundown of how entities and components interact within this framework?
Of course, entities are identifiers and components are data attached through fragments. You can easily set, get, and manipulate these components.
All this sounds engaging. If someone wanted to start using evolved.lua, where should they begin?
Start with the overview section in the documentation. It provides the basics for jumping into the full-featured examples.
Thanks for that guidance. Before we wrap up, what is a key takeaway for developers using evolved.lua?
Focus on creating efficient systems, and don't be afraid to leverage the library's flexibility to fit your specific use cases.
Such insightful advice. Thank you for sharing your expertise on evolved.lua with us today.
Thank you for having me. I hope developers find this library as useful and exciting as I do.
And that's all for today, folks. Stay tuned for more tech explorations next week.